बड़ा होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ।
ये मैं इंजीनियर बने।
जैसे कि मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ तो मैं गरीब लोगों की मदद करूँगा।
बड़ा होकर फौजी बनना चाहता हूँ। बड़ा आदमी बनूंगा।
मैं बड़ी होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ। मैं टीचर बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं पढ़कर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ।
Education is an important institution in any modern or modernizing society. The UNESCO Report 2007 on Education for All advocates an inclusive approach to achieve the goal till 2015. The report suggests policies such as abolishing school fees, providing financial incentives to reduce household dependence on child labor, and programs that have been effective in extending education generally and more specifically in identifying and overcoming the barriers that socially marginalized groups face.
बिलो पावर्टी लाइन के जो लोग हैं या मज़दूर तबके से जो लोग हैं उनके बच्चे भी पहले तो उन्हीं स्कूलों में, प्राइवेट स्कूलों में जाना पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन कुछ समय के बाद वो वहाँ का जो इकोनॉमिकल उनका जो संतुलन वो खो बैठते हैं। और समृद्ध परिवारों से जो लोग हैं उनके बच्चे तो ड्रॉप आउट्स नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन ड्रॉप आउट्स होते हैं तो गरीब परिवारों के ही बच्चे ड्रॉप आउट्स होते हैं।
मेरे पिताजी 4 साल से स्वर्गवास हो गए हैं। मैं घर में अपनी मम्मी के साथ उनका काम में हाथ बटाती हूँ, जैसे खाना पकाना, झाड़ू लगाना, उनके साथ घास कटवाना।
There are 77 million children in the world who are not enrolled in the school. The largest number of out-of-school children fall in South Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. India as a whole is rich with diversity and natural resources. Despite that, because of its socio-economic conditions, many parts of the country lack education. Marginal existence, lack of employment opportunities, awareness and understanding of the importance of education lead to child labor and preventing from formal education. For families living below the poverty line, a child is a potential wage or income earner. Sending them to school is a loss of revenue for the family. Seva International is a leading voluntary organization in the UK. It has been promoting voluntary service and charity since its inception. Its objectives are eradicating poverty and diseases, helping the sick, needy and the weak, helping the people affected by natural calamities, rehabilitation of disaster victims. In India, the Education Aid Program was launched in 2005 by Seva International UK. Under this program, financial assistance, education and training is given to the poor, sick, disabled and socially underprivileged students. In the beginning, the program was started with 500 students in 139 schools covering 10 states of India, being Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat. In 2008, the states of Bihar and Orissa were also added to provide support to a further 50 children.
Seva International UK, serving humanity is serving God. Seva International is an organisation entirely run by dedicated volunteers, heralding from all sections of the community, working together to serve humanity. Seva International UK is a service project of Hindu Swayam Sabak Sangh, an organisation dedicated to the cause of humanity. Seva's activities span is amazing. One such activity is the Education Aid Programme, a partnership for progress.
The children enrolled for nursery to 12th standard are selected by local volunteers in respective states. Students are selected on the basis of their socio-economic conditions. The volunteers work vigorously with these students to ensure that their dropout rate remains low throughout their education.
जीवन का आदर्श यहाँ पर परमेश्वर का धाम है
The challenges are varied, like different dialects, unique customs and rituals, and difficult terrains. Without the commitment and proper communications by the dedicated workers of Seva International India, the dropout rate would be extremely high. Beneficiary students, their parents, and teachers are overwhelmed and are willing to share their experiences with us. Truly, this success gives us a feeling of pride.